For the equation 5 1/2 minus 3 1/3 minus 1 3/4, our first step is going to be to take those mixed numerals and convert them into improper fractions. So we use our cartwheel for that. The denominator is going to stay the same, so 5 1/2 will still be something over 2, 3 1/3 something over 3, 1 3/4 something over 4. Now let's do the first one here. 5 1/2. We're going to multiply 5 times 2 and get 10. Add 1 and get 11. So we'll have 11 halves there. For 3 1/3, we're going to multiply 3 times 3, which is 9. Add 1, which is 10. So we'll have 10 thirds. And then for 1 3/4, 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, 7 fourths there. Next step, for subtracting fractions, we need a common denominator. So the common denominator here, we just take the largest number and skip count to find a number that both of these are also divisible into. So 4 is not divisible by 3 or 2, so we'd go to 8 is not, and then 12 is, yes, so our common denominator is going to be 12. Now to make that work, we have 11 twelfths. 11 halves is equal to how many twelfths? 2 times 6 is 12. 11 times 6 is going to be 66. We do the same thing over here for 10 thirds equals how many twelfths? 3 times 4 is 12, so 10 times 4 is 40. And then for 7 fourths, 4 times what is 12? 3. 7 times 3 is 21. So we end up with 66 twelfths minus 40 twelfths minus 21 twelfths. We now have to do our PEMDAS to find out which order of operations, and that's going to be parentheses first. So we've got 66 twelfths, that's going to remain, just drop down there, minus 19 twelfths, which is the answer of 40 minus 21 is 19 twelfths. 66 twelfths minus 19 twelfths is 47 twelfths. We'll take that and we'll simplify it to an improper fraction, because we know that 47 twelfths is the same as 47 divided by 12. So if we do 47 divided by 12, we get 3 and 11 twelfths, and that is our answer.